welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video today, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I warm up for dance. I'm not saying this is the correct way you should warm up, but this is the way I personally warm up because I have dance in the mornings at school, and I tend to be tired in the morning, so this is what I do to feel ready and warm for class. So I'll show you. Now follow along tutorial. Firstly, we're going to start off in just a neutral second position, kind of, and we're just going to roll our heads to the right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And sometimes I do this on the floor, so you can also do it on the floor. Then I roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you are already standing, you can remain standing, and we're just going to roll down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure it's each vertebrae at a time, and we're going to plie, not low like this, but just a 90-degree angle. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then go in releve. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plie, 90-degree angle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 2, 3, 4. Down and roll up. 6, 7, 8. Rotate to a turned out small second. Roll down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not going back behind, but stay at a 90-degree angle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Releve. 2, 3, 4. Plie. 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 2, 3, 4. Plie. 6, 7, 8. Turn in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie. 2, 3, 4. Stretch. 6, 7, 8. Plie. 2, 3, 4. Stretch. 6, 7, 8. Releve. 2, 3, 4. Plie over. 6, 7, 8. Stretch. 2, 3, 4. Lower. 6, 7, 8. Plie. Roll up. First, it doesn't have to be a wide first, but now we're just going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plie. 2, 3, 4. Stretch. 6, 7, 8. Releve. 2, 3, 4. Plie over. 6, 7. Stretch. 2, 3, 4. Lower the heel. 6, 7, 8. Plie. Roll up. Rotate to parallel first and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Create. 2, 3, 4. Stretch. 6, 7, 8. Create. 2, 3, 4. Stretch. 6, 7, 8. Releve. 2, 3, 4. Plie over. 6, 7, 8. And up. 2, 3, 4. Lower the heels. 6, 7, 8. Plie up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How are you guys doing? I hope you're feeling very warm right now because that really warms up my ankles and the back of my hamstrings, and it really warms up my back. So hope that helps. So we're gonna do 3 sets of 15 crunches just as a light little reminder for where our abdominal muscles are. Make sure your ribs aren't poking out like this, but they're engaged with your core and into the floor. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the surge engaged. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and out. I like to hyperextend my ribs here because I feel a stretch across here, but this is not the proper way to align yourself, so just take note of that. And then we're going to go again. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Make sure your elbows stay wide. 8, not like this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we're going to go on our stomach, and instead of arching up into a big cobra right away, we're just going to stretch out those stomach muscles by gently pushing into the ground. You should feel a good stretch along your stomach. You can wiggle around some to get like everywhere across the abdominals. We're going to do quick exercises to strengthen our inner thigh muscles. So hold rotation when you turn out. This leg is going to be parallel with the ground and on the floor, while this leg is almost in like a passe position in front. And the left arm can be out, right arm can be there for support. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then pause. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. If you're doing it properly, you should feel it strengthening along the inner thigh. And next, we're going to strengthen these muscles to also hold turnout. Your feet should be in line with your back. And we're just going to lift our leg like this. We're not trying to not have our hips stacked on top of each other. They should still be stacked so it shouldn't go very far. We're gonna go 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do the other side. "15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold. 15, 14, 13, 12. You can do it. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now we're going to go to our clams. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we've now finished all of the strengthening exercises, and now we're going to do some quick stretching. Now we're going to start in a lunge. One key thing to note here is that your hips remain square, that they don't become unsquare and go below your legs and create a boat shape. So we're going to have square hips, and then we're going to try to go in a flat back on the inside of our leg. If you can go all the way down, that's good, but try to keep your back flat and not hunched over like this. Now, lower your back leg and turn out your front leg, but make sure your knee stays trapped over your front foot. And we're also going to hold this shape. Breathing, because you don't want your muscles to be tense. You want to breathe through the stretches. Now, we're going to reach back, and don't keep your hip up like this, but make sure they're pushing down into the ground, but not really low. Just make sure you feel a stretch across here. And put it down. And also keep our hips square, not like this, like this. We're going to go down as far as we can. First we go down in a flat back as far as you can go. If you can, I'm just right here right now. Then we're going to release all the way down and switch. Lunge, go down, back knee down, front leg turn out. Reach behind, breathing. You can flex that foot for a deeper stretch if you want to. Keeping our hips square, we're going to reach over our leg in a flat back. Now we're going to release down. Now we're going to stretch out our hips. We're going to start in a butterfly shape with our legs, like this. And then we're going to reach over in a flat back first. Now we're going to release down as far as we can while breathing. And wiggle around some to get all the muscles. And roll up. Now, we're going to put this right leg over left leg so that the knees are almost stacked on top of each other and the legs are crossed. You should feel this stretch around your glutes. Now we're going to reach over, making sure that your tailbone stays on the ground. Switch. Reaching over. Breathing. Don't clench your muscles because you won't get as an effective stretch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to warm up for a dance class or a ballet class. And once you finish your class, make sure to do some deeper stretches with your back and splits and stuff. But you shouldn't really do that before class because you may injure yourself because you're not thoroughly warmed up. I'll see you guys in the next video.